Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is my video about how to clean your blind. See how many times it's happened the blind look like this. So I have these kind of blind like 5, and I'm gonna wash this, and it's very easy, very fast, and it's very messy because I always open this window. Most of it's a kitchen window, so that's why it's so messy. And we're gonna clean this, and I'm going to show you how. So I'm doing my blind washing today, and it's really very easy. It's not that hard. You just need a dish soap. I put the dish soap in this one, and gloves, and one brush for scrubbing, and baking soda. If you have a OxiClean, it's also fine, but if it's not, that's fine. You can use a baking soda because it's give you the scrubbing power. So just I will wash my blind in my the farmhouse style thing. It's pretty big, and the width is not that much. But if your blind is big, you can wash into your bathtub and doing the same thing, but just in the bathtub. So I'm filling with this hot water, and just put the baking soda, not like half a cup, and then soap, not too much because it will be grimy. So with this kind of pot, I think like half teaspoon will be fine, and fill it with the hot water, hot tap water, and just drop your blind into this, and wait for more you waiter, the better will be result. The result will be better. So I think I will do like at least half an hour, and then just scrub and put it back to the windows. So I put my blind into the sink, and now I'm filling with the water until it's fully covered with water, and then wait and see. It's very dirty because this is my kitchen blind, and whenever I cooking, even if I'm not cooking, the first thing in the morning I open my windows. So because it's a kitchen window, it's very dirty. So I have the 5 set of these, the same blind, but I will wash the dirtiest one first to show you how it's turned. And see, it's even the color is changed. See the white, and because of the dirt. So just wait, and it's really good. And then we will put, give a little bit a scrub to the blind and wash it, and then clean with the clean water, and then put it back. And I will show you when it's totally dry. And it's even not 10 minutes now. In a matter of time, like matter of few minutes, it's even without scrubbing. See, it's getting white, and the all dirt, like losing dirt, is changing color. I even didn't scrub till now, but you see, it's actually this is the most easiest way to clean your blind. I see some video when you just wipe. If it's a loose dirt, not that much, like not that much dirty, you can do it just with the wipe it or with the duster. But the the dirtiness, the level of the dirtiness, like this one, you have to do it in this one. And believe me, it's way faster than to wipe your blinds, because it's more complicated, it takes more time. And with no time, just take it off, put it in the water, and just wipe it, little bit scrub. I will do it with my gloves, and then it will be way faster. So I really like this one. If you like, before you finish this video, do subscribe my channel for the more helpful videos. I always do the videos about the home, everything include in the house, outside the house, in the garden, so do subscribe. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you for into the more videos. So let's see how the results came out. So now I'm doing the scrubbing thing. Even without scrubbing, it's very white. but I will do with the microfiber. I also try this sponge. You can use both, but I think microfiber is better. So I will do sponge and then drain the all water and then wash with the fresh water and leave it for a while in the sink until it's totally dry and then hang it. Tell me if you like the video in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And if you see the before and after, it's a really big difference, and almost in no time, just an effort to take this off and put it back. So I'm really happy with this result. Thanks for watching.